Video 988. In the system index, we've added this footnote here to help you find the different subsections for the different subsystems in our dependency chain here. And within the dependency chain, we have moved around some things. So geobase, geoseek, bombase, bombseek, fadbase, fadseek have been reordered into exactly this order, right? Base, then seek, and then geometry, bomb, and fada in that order because the layer indexes are 0, 1, and 2 for geometry, bomb, and fada. Also, this is a new section, Systems Simulation Optimized Data Access. We've put this up here because if we ever want to make Conway's Game of Life faster, we're going to have to use this stuff. So this stuff is right beneath the systems simulation space-time helpers, the different hunker systems. Okay, let's go down to where we kind of reordered some stuff. So in const macros by system, beneath the hunk hot constant section, we have geobase right here. We got geoseek, we got bombase, we got bombseek, we got fadbase, and we have fadseek constants. And you can see this is above Conway's Game of Life constants. In the, beneath bomb thought and Conway's, I'm just making a footnote of where we removed all of that code from, right? Because we're moving stuff around and reordering it. Okay, so in data by system, beneath the hunk hot system, once again, we have geobase, geoseek, bombase, and then we have bombseek, and then fadbase, and fadseek data, right? So all of these data sections are now in the correct order, in the correct position, and they are above Conway's Game of Life. Also, we have moved all that code from right here, right? Between the end of Conway's and the beginning of Bomb Thought was where all of this stuff originally was. Okay? Then down here, beneath the hunk hot functions section, once again, geobase functions, geoseek functions, bombase functions, bombseek functions, fadbase functions, and fadseek functions. So all we're doing here is we are reordering stuff, right? Oh, also this is where we removed it from, right? Beneath Conway's Game of Life systems, above Bomb Thought systems, right? Okay, so that's it. So we have a little diagram down here, base seek, kind of explaining kind of like what those systems are for that we were moving around, but I don't have fucking time for it. We're out of time. We're out of time.